Hey guys, Tony here. It looks like potentially short term we are going to see another start of another run on Shiba Inu. The last time we hit that 30-minute trigger, we actually did this nice little run here. If we do beat out these relative highs of like 34.48, let me see, 34.50. So if we cross 34.50, it's a whole new price discovery to the upside, at least towards what is it called? At least towards at least towards 59 microcents. But we'll see. It does look like Shiba does want to run again, which is super awesome. But again, I think once we pass 34.50, I do think we're going to be in a really solid range to see what happens. But again, I think the major number that we need to cross is 37 microcents. I think as soon as that actually gets crossed and runs to the upside, I think we're going to be headed to 59 microcents. So keep an eye out for later today, for the next couple of hours, just to see what happens. I do think we might see another big push up on Shiba Inu, but we'll see. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.